Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Roblox Studio tutorial, I'll show you how to make a custom player character with aura power, just like Goku Master Ultra Instinct, and even enable flying abilities. Let's jump right into it. First, open Roblox Studio and go to the Toolbox. Make sure you're on the Models tab, then search for Goku Mui or Goku Master Ultra Instinct. Once you find a model you like, insert it into your game. Now we have a nice Goku character with beautiful aura. Now select the Goku model in the Explorer window. Rename the model to StarterCharacter, this is very important. Next, go to Starter Player, and drag the StarterCharacter model inside it. This tells Roblox to use this character when the player spawns. Now click play. As you can see, we are controlling the character with the full aura power effects enabled. The custom character works perfectly. To make the character able to fly, go to Workspace. Find Gravity, and change its value from the default to 1. Lower gravity allows the character to float and fly smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom aura-powered character in Roblox Studio. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.